Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share a Facebook memory. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to scroll down and click on memories. And here you can see layout for your memories. So let's suppose I'm going to select this one. And here you need to add your older photo. So I'm going to select my old profile picture, click on next, and then you need to add your recent photo. So I'm going to on to the albums and adding my recent photo, click on next again, and here you can say something about this photo, and from here you can select the privacy, and after that you need to click on post. So this is the process by which you can share memories on Facebook. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.